Myntri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management uba Kermenshela lembat uba ALHEC Myntri Sorkar haka arpau terjelio kila Hiar Jowai na kebentaban Buddien ni lum jingken habaya day bat ki Jingshahktah ki yeng ki sem ki lenti senken ki Jakarep bat ki way ha East bat West Jante Hills District na Jingwan Lynshop uslap ubajur bat ke Lyer ha kini ki kendiat sni. Ha Jinglang lum jingken balapan long ha Conference Hall ka Office UDC ha Jowai ladonlang ki Deputy Commissioner na baro ar ki DC bakentup bia u ba BS Solia bat u Abhilash Baranwal u SDO ka Amlaram Civil Subdivision u Dr. Abhishek Saini u ba MB Tongper ADC Jowai ka Kong J Kharpuri ADC Klerian u ba S Panbo bat u ba WK Kharbuli Assistant Commissioner Jowai u Superintendent of Police u ba Shempang Serti u Dr. B Langbang BDO Thalasken sian adi blok na lor ki way pat ki he Sorkar u ba ALHEC habakran uong kathong baki wan kadai namar baki kwa banyo jingte bahadu katnu ke Jingshahktah na kan ke Jingwan Lynshop ki bor mariang barban pentik naru shabaro ki Jingshahktah bakin yo yaki lar jingeram uba Kermenshela ula banjur halor ke Jingdan kam meki mat badai Peit bakin pendap kloy ya kam klam da api ki breu Ketenat Disaster Management kenang ban kloy kam ka jam badru banyo penpoi kloy ki lar jingerap shakilanon na kaliang ki DC ki layat ho ki Jingshahktah haraki jong ki district bakan thup nadu ke Jing ur khando ke Jingshah lempat ki Sainar boarding na lor baladon ru ki surok ki Jingkieng bala Shahktah ki baladon kam ban pen kloy jingeram.
I would like to thank the Honorable DC East Jante Hills and the SP West Jante Hills and all our officers from different departments. Thank you so much for your presence. As a teamwork, we have seen that you really tackle the situation which we have faced. This is not a new thing for us. We have seen from time to time, almost every year we have witnessed that this kind of situation we have to face. But this year, so nice to hear that no loss of life in West Jante Hills, but yes, we lost one life in East Jante Hills. It's so sad for the family, but we believe that our contribution especially is not about monetary, but it's about the work, the support, the kind of support which we have been given from both the district to the people. I believe this will at least shows the presence of the government, the department, and all of us that we are serious with these issues. So I have nothing much to say today. We just want to hear from the district, and what you have done is really recommendable. And just one thing I would like to share, because this kind of confusion, it happened with many I have seen, especially with the honorable MLAs of different constituencies. Most of them they used to call, there are times that MLAs he called me, there's a bridge struck by a thunder. So this thunder strike and that the bridge has damage. So he called me and he said, what is the help? How do we go ahead? So I would like to request our officers, since we have all the officers from different departments. So if it happens to be at your department, please kindly take a serious note on this and then try to show them what to do, what is the next steps. Because there are times that it got confused that maybe the disaster management has to pay and then do repairing for this bridge, or maybe the PWD, or maybe the Mandrika. So many confusion. Sometimes though I am as a minister here, I will reveal this in front of you that sometimes we got confused with all of this. So we would like to request, so let's work together, and I see that all of you are very serious to tackle the issues. But I believe this kind of confusion, if we support each other, no doubt, even the honorable MLAs and especially the public, they will get the benefits in a short periods of time, as much as we can deliver our services to them. So it's so nice to hear that, especially yesterday, all the deputy commissioner of different districts, they have witnessed and they have heard the discussion yesterday with the honorable chief minister, as per directed, that the fund allotted to all the deputy commissioner, that is in your hand to disburse it as early as possible. If possible, within 48 hours, it should be reached to the beneficiaries, so that they will have, they can at least get something for what has been damaged to them, and then do the needful to support their family. So I have seen that almost, I can say all the district has been following this, and we would like to request you from even now also, from now on, you can go ahead with this, disburse of the fund, because that fund is not mandatory that you have to wait. And it's a fund where if this money, 50 lakh, is not enough, it can be extended as early as possible, and you just need to send a proposal.